Friend, Wooby's Powers. Okay, guys, I'm gonna cut this tree down right there. All right, all the way up there. I'm gonna cut this down. I'm gonna put the Humboldt notch in. I'm gonna come back and make the hinge. I'm gonna wedge it over. And we're gonna try and take it right down out there. Here you go, guys. Here's your notch. Right on through here. Okay. Here's my undercut. Yeah, it's a little crappy. When you do these Humboldt notches here, friends, sometimes it's kind of hard to get up underneath this bridge right here. Okay, but I cleaned out the stuff here, but I didn't quite get up underneath here. But anyway, you see how that went. Here's your notch, or here's your hinge. Okay. Done your back cut. All right, and the tree pretty much fell right where I wanted to go. Look at this. Okay, that did exactly what I wanted to do right there. Okay, Humboldt notches are a little bit tricky, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna practice them. I've been doing a lot of practicing with them, so here we go. All right, so that's what you get. That's the reason why we do these Humboldt notches. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this. If you want to be a logger, you can just take and square this off a little bit more, but there's very little waste right here, guys. Okay, go back here and just square this up a little bit. If you wanted to do logging, you got all this here to work with. Okay, so that's it. This is what you have to do. Yeah, my wedge, but that's it. Okay, so if you guys like what I'm doing, you got any more comments on any video requests, shoot me a message in the comments, and I'll get back to you and go from there. Okay? All right, thanks, guys. Catch you on the next video.